Hey guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video I'll show you how to replace a broken wheel stud. I'm doing it on a 16 Tahoe, Chevrolet Tahoe. It's the same procedure in a lot of Chevy, GMC, Cadillac, truck and SUVs of that generation. For clarification, that's in the rear of the vehicle. So to get access to it, to that stud, a broken stud right there, you need to remove the brake caliper and the rotor. Let's get started. The caliper block and bolt is 80mm. Let's break it free. There's two of them. So I got the brake caliper bolts off, so let's take it off. I'm gonna use a screwdriver like this and pry against it like that so you can take it off. Now let's take the rotor off. So this rotor is fine, you're not gonna replace it. I would suggest that you hit the flange right here so you can take it off. Don't hit it on the braking surfaces, just right here. Avoid hitting the stud seal, by the way, just around here, okay? So now here is the broken stud. To replace it, you need a hammer like this. Hit it, it'll come up pretty easy. So it's coming out. Go just like that. Here is your new stud. I'll put the link in the comment section below, so let's put it in. So to put the new stud in, you put it in between the parking shoe, right, the parking brake shoe right here, like this, and you put it in the hole right here, okay, something like this, right? You're driving in. Okay, and we're gonna use the seam lug nut so we can pull it through. So to pull the stud through, technically there is a special tool for it, but if you don't have it, it's fine. You can use a big nut like this. As long as it's bigger than the stud, you insert it like that, and you use a lug nut like this, and you pull it through with your air gun. And let me show you. So let's pull it through right now. Okay. There it is, it's in just like that, and that's all there is to it, guys. Yep, that's it. So I'll be putting everything back together, put the rotor in, and cut everything. So that's it, guys. So today, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.